The Samsung option, Israeli doomsday plan exposed. Tonight, get take you inside one of the world's most dangerous secrets. A strategy so destructive it could wipe entire nations off the map. It's called the Simpson option, and it's not a myth. It's a real nuclear doctrine silently sitting at the heart of Israeli defense. A plan that threatens global annihilation if Israel's existence is ever pushed to the edge. While the world debates war, Israel may have already prepared for the end of days. What is Simpson option? The term Simpson option comes from a biblical story of Simpson, the warrior who, when captured, brought down an entire temple, killing himself and his enemies in one final act of vengeance. This story has become the chilling metaphor for Israeli undeclared nuclear strategy. If Israel ever faced total destruction, it will unleash its nuclear arsenal, even if it is meaning by of mutual annihilation. Nuclear shadows over the desert. Hidden beneath the sand of Negev desert lies Dimona, the suspected heart of Israeli nuclear program. Though Israel maintains a strict policy of nuclear ambiguity, never confirms nor denies its arsenal. Experts estimated that Israel has even 80 to 400 nuclear warheads. Delivery methods include long range Jericho missiles, F 15, F 18, F 35 strike aircrafts, and German made Dolphin class submarine capable of launching cruise missiles from anywhere in the world. The doctrine of destruction. The Samson option is not a controversial strategy. It's doomsday doctrine. It's not about winning war. It's about denying the enemy any victory, even it means obligating entire regions. Reports suggest that Israel could target not just hostile Arab nations like Iran or Syria, but even European capitals if they are seen as a complicit in Israeli destruction. Why the world should worry now? With rising Iranian nuclear ambition, Hezbollah growing bolder, and the Israel Gaza conflict spiraling into the broader escalation, the condition for triggering the Samson option are not longer just theoretical. Israeli fear of annihilation are deepening, and the more isolated Israeli feels, the more real this nuclear reckoning becomes. If Israel is concerned, it will not go quietly, it will go nuclear. Western complicity, the double standards. Israel has never signed the non proliferation theory. It has never allowed IAEA inspectors of Dimona, yet it faces no sanctions, no UN pressure, no condemnation. Meanwhile, nations like Iran and Pakistan are hounded, sanctions, and isolated from much less. The hypocrisy of the West is staggering. One nation is handed nuclear silence while others are demonized for national defense. The Pakistani angle, GATS stands confirmed. For Pakistan, the Simpson option exposes a dangerous global imbalance. While Israel sits on the nuclear mountain protected by Washington, Islamabad is constantly warned to act responsibly, but GAD says this responsibility must be equal, accountability must be global. If the world truly seeks peace, it cannot allow one nuclear power to operate above the law while judging another for merely existing. Geostrategic flashpoint, the red line approaches. Israeli Simpson option is not just a threat to Iran or Gaza. It's threat to the entire world. A doctrine that says if we fall, everyone burns with us. In an age of AI of warfare, hypersonic missiles, and nuclear escalation, the policy is not recurring. It's suicidal. In a world already trembling under the weight of war, the Simpson option is the final blow, a sword hanging over the future of mankind. This is not security, this is state sponsored apocalypse. And if the world refuses to confront it, the countdown will continue. And remember the name, the Simpson option. It's not a theory, it's a threat. That wraps up tonight's top bulletin. What is your take on Simpson option? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and stay informed with the global affairs tonight. Until next time, stay engaged, stay tuned, and stay awake. I was Mr. Bravo, and you were watching Global Affairs Tonight. Goodbye.